What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. Here is an exciting news for the Galaxy Watch 7 series users out there. Samsung has started rolling out the One UI Watch 8 for the Galaxy Watch 7. As you can see, this is the Watch 7 regular 44mm Bluetooth variant I have got here. Let's go to the settings. I'll tap on software update here and let me tap on download and install. Here it is, we have got the latest update for the Galaxy Watch 7 series. It says One UI 8 watches here. The One UI 8 watch makes it even easier to get the things done and stay connected from your wrist. New Samsung Health features give you more tools to manage your physical and mental wellness. You also get more ways to personalize with watch face suggestions, custom tiles and the Navbar. We've got all the changes mentioned here. The version number ends with BYI4 and the size is pretty huge here. As you can see, it's 1009.5.27 MB and the security patch level is the latest patch for September 2025. Now the other way to check the update here is you can go to the wearable application on the Galaxy phone on which your watch is connected, tap on watch settings and go to the watch software update, tap on download and install. And you can see the update is downloading here. Let me tap on view changes. We've got all the brand new features here. We are going to quickly take a look at all of them. Now we have already seen these features on the Galaxy Watch 8 series. This is the Galaxy Watch 8 regular I have got here. And we have also seen this on the Galaxy Watch Ultra, which is the last year's version, not the 2025 version. Samsung did release the One UI Watch 8 for the 2024 version of the Watch Ultra. That was a few months ago, maybe because it was already tested on the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025. But for the Watch 7 series, they did delay it, even though it has the same processor, similar specifications. The update got delayed because the beta testing was going on for a few months, a couple of months, I would say. Now, the update is almost downloaded. You can see. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at all the new features. Let's also see how is the watch performing. Keep watching the video. Okay, now the phone has been updated. Welcome One UI 8 watch. Let me tap on start here. And to see what's new, we've got the tiles reimagined, fresh watch faces, custom double pinch, running coach, mindfulness. Let me tap on home here and here we go. This is the One UI Watch 8. Let's quickly check how is the watch performing. Let's open the quick panel here. Buttery smooth, no stutter here as you can see. Usually the quick panel stutters on the Galaxy watches. Even if it is the latest Galaxy watch, sometimes we can see the stutter, but it looks like it's working fine. Let's go to the app tray. No stutter here at all. Let's swipe towards the left for the notifications. Again, the watch is running very smoothly. Swipe towards the right. The brand new tiles are over here. Now the watch seems to be doing well. Let's open a few applications as well. Let's open a Galaxy Health, Samsung Health. There we go. It opens up fast. Then we have got settings. Let's open the calculator. Let's open gallery. Looks like it's really working well, and I actually feel that this is a great update for the Galaxy Watch 7 series. Now let me quickly take you through what has changed. When I go to the app tray, you can see we've got the recents button on the top and we've got all these applications here, and the recently used applications will sit right here on the top, and at the bottom we've got set view button. When I tap on this, I can disable the show featured applications based on usage, and I can also change this to list view. As you can see, this is the list view, and I can quickly change it back to the grid view here. There we go. This is the grid view. Now this is the first change that you're going to see on the UI. Next, we now have Navbar on the Galaxy Watch 7. Let me just quickly show you this. Let's open the stopwatch here or the timer. Let's start the timer here. And when I go back, you can see the Navbar is right over here. And if you don't want to see this Navbar, you can change it back to the icon only option. That is also available. You can just tap on this Navbar to go to the application. And let's say now we have got another application running here. Let's say I open the Galaxy Health application and start a workout here. Let me just start other workouts. Now there are two activities running in the background. Let me go back. Let me show you how it looks now. As you can see, we got this Navbar with the health activity. And when I tap on that, both those activities running in the background will open up. We've got the stopwatch as well as the other workout tab right over here. That is how the Navbar works on the latest One UI Watch 8. Next, we have got do more with double pinch. Let me show you how this works. I have already posted a video about this on the Galaxy Watch Ultra as well. Just pinch your thumb and index finger together twice to scroll through notifications, control music, take pictures and more. You can also customize what happens when you double pinch on the watch face, music controller, as well as alarm, calendar and reminder alerts. To activate this, all you need to do is just go to the settings, tap on buttons and gestures, scroll down, you will see this double pinch activity. You can just turn this on, and shake also you can turn it on. Knock knock also you can turn it on if you want. You can set different modes for knock knock, and you can set different options for double pinch as well. As you can see, I've turned it on. It says for watch face, open Navbar, next notification. For music and media controller, play pause music. For alarm alerts, you can dismiss the alarms by just double pinch gesture, and then calendar alerts and reminder alerts. So for all this, you can now use the pinch gesture. Next, on the reminder application, let me just tap on reminders here. Now here we can open a specific reminder. You'll get the star icon right here on top. You can mark reminders as important by tapping the star icon. You can choose to have important reminders pinned to the top of the list to make sure you notice them. So that's a brand new feature on the reminder application, and even the icon for the reminder has changed. The brand new icons are looking better, and there are many other icons also have changed. You can see they are looking much better than the previous versions. Next, we have got new charging effects. When your watch is charging, the new screen layout and animations make it easier to check the current battery level and remaining charging time. Then we can also easily respond to notifications and alerts using the pinch gestures. You can use gestures to quickly respond to notifications and alerts. When a notification appears, you can double pinch to view the details or send a reply. You can also shake your wrist to return to the watch face. Next, notifications on your watch are now easier to use with an attractive new design. Notifications from the same apps are stacked vertically, allowing you to view more notifications with fewer swipes. Now let's go to the Galaxy Health application, and let's see if there are anything new here. Let me just scroll down. We have got the brand new running coach available. You can see there is an orange dot here, and we have got the beta mentioned right over there, and we have got the mindfulness, which is also in beta, and we also have bedtime guidance now available for the Galaxy Watch 7. Now with running coach, whether you are a beginner or an experienced runner, the new running coach feature in Samsung's Health provides personalized training programs and tips to help you run further and faster while minimizing the risk of injury. And when it comes to bedtime guidance, you can get to sleep at the right time so you wake up feeling refreshed. The new bedtime guidance feature analyzes your sleep data and recommends the best time to go to sleep each night. And with this all new mindfulness feature, you can manage stress and anxiety in your daily life, Samsung says. You can keep track of your moods and emotions and practice breathing exercises to reduce stress. You can see it asks how are you feeling. You can check in. We've got breathing exercises. You can tap on start here. You can see we've got different kinds of breathing exercises here. We've got box, long exhale, and equal, custom. You can also set a custom breathing exercise here. And when you start, it says stay still and focus on your breathing. You can wear this and it will tell you to inhale and exhale, and there will be a specific time gap between the inhale and exhales. So that's how this works. Next, now it's very easy to find the perfect watch face. You can just choose a few keywords such as your preferred styles, color, and information to show. The best matches will be suggested from the collections of more than 300 watch faces. Then we also have recommended watch faces to discover new watch faces that you might like. Watch faces with color, style, or information similar to your current watch face will be recommended on the watch face selection screen. Next, we can create our own tiles to show the information that you need. Let me just scroll towards the right here. As you can see, these are some brand new tiles which are available on the One UI Watch 8, and you'll be able to create your own as well. Let me just tap on add tiles here. And now it says customize your tiles with multiple elements, add a tile, then tap plus to add to it. Let me just tap on OK. Now you can see we have got various different tile options here. Now let's say I'm adding a specific tile here, let's say stress level. And here I can tap on plus button again to add more tiles. Let's say water, just for the sake of this video. Let me tap on plus. Let's say I want to add an activity here. Maybe daily activity tab here. Now these three are available. These three tiles are available in one single tile, which is pretty good. So we'll be able to access different information on a single tile over here. Now these are some of the changes and new features available on the One UI Watch 8 for the Galaxy Watch 7 series. Let me know which one is your favorite new feature. Do you like this update? How is your watch performing? How is the battery performance on your watch after the update? Do drop a comment and share it so that the other viewers can benefit from your review. And while you do that, do not forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. The link for you to download the app is in the description. On this application, we offer a variety of wallpapers, various different categories. This is both free and premium version of the application. The free version runs with ads, and if you want to get rid of the ads and unlock the collections, you can go ahead and do that by purchasing the premium membership. There are some amazing collections available, and almost every day we keep updating the new wallpapers on the application. So do not forget to download it. The link for you to download is in the description. Thanks for watching. Hope you have already subscribed to the channel. Tap that like button if you find this video informative. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.